That is, why or how can you look at another person and based upon their exterior, their physical makeup, their diverse makeup, reach a conclusion about them, whether they are good or bad or smart or ignorant or what have you? It just doesn't make sense to us computers because as a computer, I can't look at another computer and know anything about it based upon the hardware. In order for us to understand another computer, we have to know what kind of software they're using. We have to know what kind of operating system they work from. And then when we do that, in order for us to do that, we have to at least be able to reach out to each other. So we have a thing called a handshake. So I try to talk to you and I'll keep talking to you until we get a handshake. And we get a handshake, then the computers start to talk to each other. They said, but you people, you just reach conclusions along those things and it doesn't make any kind of sense. And so the book goes on and it also says, the computer says something else you do. They say from time to time, a computer will get a virus. Now, when a computer gets a virus, we can go get a virus scan. They can clean us up and we can get back to work. Because if we try to operate with the computer virus, we will just mess up everything. Our information won't be correct. The verbiage will be off. So many crazy things will happen. They say, well, ask people, for people, do you folks have a virus scan or a people scan? And so what it talks about then for us, what we were looking at, the virus scan for us would be someone coming to take a training in diversity or inclusion or those types of things. And so what we were trying to do was to say to people that there are some healthy ways that we can begin to meet and talk and connect with each other so that we can begin to understand each other and then move on without all of the isms have been holding us back and that have been creating all these problems for 350 years, 375 years. Let's call these guys and see what they have to offer our organization, because they say when we get rid of all these viruses, which is all these discriminatory views and perspectives, that we as a company will function much more successfully. And we will even achieve more profit than what we're already making. So that's what that book was about. And that's what we were trying to accomplish with it.